How to change wallpaper on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily change wallpaper on your Windows laptop. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and let's just get right into it. The very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up your settings menu, go to the start menu, and then click settings. From your settings, you're going to find personalization. Here, you are able to change all of your backgrounds and settings. So you can select a specific theme to apply, or what you could do is just go to personalization and then background. Now from your background, you can select any of your previous images that you have set, and it's going to change it directly without any problem. Now, if you want to if you want to set a new image, then you want to head over here, go to browse photos, and then you can select a picture from here. So I'll just go to wallpaper, and let me just go ahead and select this for now. And if I go here, it's quite not the size of the screen. That's why there are black spots. But if you have the correct ratio for your screen, it's going to change it. Now you could also choose the background color and theme of your picture. And you could also choose a fit for your desktop image. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to successfully change your desktop image. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.